Let's do the whole tango. The whole tango. We've got tango walks, we've got tango rocks, and we even have those simple closed reverse turns as well. So how much of each step can we do? Well, there's no particular rule. We're going to stick to this pattern I give you so that you can practice it yourself or with somebody. You both know how much of what step you're going to do. So the gentleman starts off with forward walks with his left foot. And then he does a step with the right foot. Having finished that, he'll go on into the rocks we did in one of our recent videos. And that will be 2 of those. After we finish those 2, we're then going to do the closed reverse turns. We'll do 2 of those. And that should leave us ready to start the whole routine all over again. So, I'm going to start you off, if I can, with the gentleman's steps first of all. And I think I might dance these for you if I can. Away from you as my back to you. Here I go. Gentlemen first of all. We go left foot forward, tango walks. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. The rocks. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick. Here's your turns. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. And you can begin again from there. The lady steps now, if that's okay. Ladies, we're going to do our tango walks. Back with the right foot, we go. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Rock, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, reverse turn, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. And so there's your whole tango routine. Lots and lots and lots to practice in there. I'm sure there's lots of little questions you might have about what you might like to know about aspects of all of that. Footwork, alignment. Please feel free to contact us on info@justdance.ie if you'd like to find out any more about not just tango, but any of the dances we teach in our courses all across Dublin.